Hello and welcome to Smith's Nissan in Peterborough. Here we have a 2022 Toyota Yaris Cross 1.5 VVT-i. This is a hybrid petrol automatic. This vehicle is a Nissan Intelligent Choice approved used car, which means you get a minimum of 12 months manufacturer approved warranty, 12 months RC breakdown cover, a multiple inspection by Nissan trained technicians and a full history check. We can also offer a full range of finance packages to meet your requirements. Let's take a look around the car. Here we are up front, we have front parking sensors, as well as a front camera. Coming down to the passenger side front wheel. Coming along the side, we have rear privacy glass. Now down to the passenger side rear wheel. Coming around to the back, we have rear parking sensors, as well as a reversing camera. We have a tow bar. Let's take a look in the boot. This car comes with electronic tailgate. Coming down to the driver's side rear wheel. Let's take a look in the rear. Inside we have half cloth, half leather interior. Let's take a look in the front. We have heated seats on the passenger side and driver's side. Infotainment screen, climate control, heated seat buttons, drive selector, heated leather steering wheel, coming down to the driver's side front wheel, and back round to the front. Thank you for watching this video.